picked up a motor mount. The cars hit each other so hard that was an engine mount that came out. It was one of those fluid or oil-filled mounts, and my dumbass squeezed that mount, and it sprayed oil all over me. And so I went home and took care of a couple things, ate dinner, and finally decided, well, rush hour's over, so I probably won't hear nothing until late tonight for some DUI calls. So I went ahead and I took a shower, and I said right before I went and got in the shower, I said, I bet as soon as I step in that shower, I'm gonna get a call. And wouldn't you know it, I got the water good and hot, I was all comfy in the shower, and I was just getting ready to put some soap on me, and boom, I get a call. And it's another wreck, so it's time sensitive, and I'm in the shower, I'm soaked. So I'm like, all right, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly finish up the shower and get out on the road. So now I'm trying to make up for the time, but I'll still be there in under 30 minutes. So I think I'm gonna be okay. Because I was only 15 minutes away from the wreck in the first place. And we're cruising along pretty well. I'm, what, 6 minutes out? A couple exits away. I don't know what kind of wreck it's gonna be. Oh, there's another tow truck here. Oh, there's a guy in the ditch. Okay.
There's another one in front of our truck right there.
All right.
And embankment on the right.
All right, so just head up there and grab that?
Yeah.
All right.
Take that and pull it up past that car so you can block it for him while he gets it.
All right, thanks guys.
Yes, sir.
Oh, they noticed my camera. This is the first time they've ever noticed a camera. What's up, man?
I just got them to turn around, and I'm just gonna pull in front of you and block off traffic.
All right, I'll let you pull up first. Thanks, man.
He locked his car and stuff, so just gonna have to pull it up on there.
Oh, he locked it?
Uh-huh.
It'll drag. It's on grass, so it'll drag easy.
Man, that's another type of car.
Sweet. Well, it's wet down here, man.
Huh.
It's wet down here. Are you a full-time firefighter or a volunteer?
Just volunteer.
Well, you get to see some interesting stuff anyways.
I got all my classes to be full-time, but I ain't decided if I want to do it or not.
Well, I'm gonna pull it up a little bit so I can get underneath it. Here's your light. Thank you.
Honestly, I don't know what the hell happened. I heard somebody was turning around, this and that.
Man, there must be something to hook onto back here. Yeah, there it is. Hook onto this. I just need to get it up out of this soft grass. It's hard to get underneath. It just sinks right to the bottom. There we go. Now I got it easy. Alright. Definitely didn't want to be laying in the water hooking that up.
Oh no, I wouldn't have.